What is your name?
Sintayo Crane.
Do you have a middle name?
Yeah, Isaiah.
Isaiah.
Yeah.
How do you say Isaiah in Amharic?
Isaias.
Isaias.
Yeah.
When did you meet your mommy and daddy?
Huh?
When? What day did you meet mommy and daddy?
March 8, 2010, Sanyo. Monday.
Monday.
Yeah.
Where were you when you met mommy and daddy?
Sechai in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa.
Tell us what happened on that day. What did you guys do?
It is a favorite day. It is middle name, favorite day. Pray. Pray and eat food and play and bicycle, ride bicycle. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Did you know mommy and daddy were coming?
I know before. I don't know, but what day?
You didn't know what day?
Yeah.
Did you have anything in your hands when you met mommy and daddy? Stand still.
What?
Did you have anything in your hands when you met mommy and daddy?
What? What?
I don't know, were you holding anything
What?
when you saw mommy and daddy?
Present. Some present. I'm lasted in that.
What present was it? Do you know?
Chica. Potatoes.
The Play-Doh?
And Play-Doh and bubbles.
Bubbles? Did you meet mommy and daddy in a room, or where did you meet mommy and daddy?
What?
Where? I know at CHI, but did you guys go to the waiting room, or?
I know waiting room before.
Where did you see mommy and daddy first, though?
First, it is all the children room come, and after that in the folk 2 story. They have 2 story. After that waiting room to in second story.
Did you know who mommy and daddy were when we got out of the van? Did you know which ones were? Did you know which people were mommy and daddy when you got out of the van?
Yeah. I know. I didn't remember. I remember. But your mommy, daddy, it is like different. Some different now.
We look different now?
Yeah.
Yeah. What have you done since you've been in America?
Now 2 months, 1 day.
2 months, 1 day. Have you done anything?
Now 2 months in family. 2 months. Last Wednesday. No, last.
It's been 2 months, 10 days.
10 days. Yeah.
Have you done anything while you've been in America?
What?
Have you gone anywhere? What have you done since you've been in America?
Many things. I was going to train. I was going to air show. I am going to do zoo, very small zoo, but it is fun. I was going to swim.
You learned to swim?
Yeah.
Where did you learn to swim?
I learned to swim first in grandpa's. No, I am not learning. But I learned after that floaty son. Mom, daddy, learner after that come. Like hi. Now no floaty. No. Now Palm Spring all day go. Or on the beach all day long swim.
Okay. Zoe, what has been some of the things that you've done? What are some things we've done since you've been home?
Stop.
Floaties now and
Are you using floaties?
no
No? Okay.
and swimming.
Swimming?
Everybody's
Everybody's swimming? What else have you done?
mom, daddy's praying. Camp.
You prayed for mommy and daddy to come
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
when you guys were in Ethiopia?
Together pray.
You too. Can you say that prayer for me?
Okay.
You can say it in Amharic.
ቅዱስና የተፈራባትና እናመሰግናለን ማሚ ዳዲ እንዲመጡ እርዳቸው
Amen.
በት እነሱንም ባርካቸው ከቤት ባርክ ቀድሳቸው እነሱ ቶሎ እንዲመጡልን እንለምናለን በኢየሱስ ስም አሜን
Amen.
Amen. What's your favorite toy, Dawit?
Toys. Cars.
Cars.
And car and jaga.
Jaga. You like Play-Doh?
And the toys up here.
Toys.
Transformer.
What about the one that you need this for?
Hat.
Not a hat, but a helmet.
Helmet.
What do you need a helmet for?
Bike. Bike.
Do you like your bike?
Yeah.
What color is your bike?
Helmet no.
Red.
Bike no. Helmet no.
You don't like your bike?
I like bike.
Oh, okay.
Gun, helmet, inside child? No.
No, yeah, I know.
Let's see.
And mommy, daddy.
What kind of food have you guys eaten since you've been in America?
Oh,
In America.
money. Plenty food in America.
Plenty food?
The niche.
Mexican food I ate. Italian food. Greek food one time. Mexican food every day. Almost every day.
Almost every day.
Yeah.
American and Mexican
And in
almost every day.
America. And in America.
I like Mexican food. Is it like this?
What kind of food do you like, Dawit?
I like Mexican food.
You like Mexican food?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Favorite peanut butter apple.
Peanut butter Dabo.
Yeah.
What about cereal? Do you like cereal?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind?
Kind.
Cheerios?
Sorry.
Cheerios, yeah. Let's see. What do you think of your doggies? Do you like the doggies?
Inside the doggy.
Yeah.
No, Dutch and Taser.
Especially I like Dutch.
You like Dutch.
Yeah, especially
Daddy.
Dutch. Good.
Taser.
Do you like Taser?
Good.
Hey, my small. Taser small.
Good boy.
Big.
Good
Small,
boy.
small.
Have you guys made any friends?
Where? In Ethiopia, one friend.
What about in America? Do you guys have friends?
Makana.
Two.
McKenna.
Wiley Campbell, Makana, Camille.
Mhm. Yeah, you said it.
Okay.
Do you guys have any family, aunties, uncles?
Jackson.
Oh,
Luke.
Jackson.
Oh,
Luke.
money. Our.
Many friends?
Yeah.
Do you guys have aunties and uncles?
Yeah, Auntie Barkia, Uncle Jirash, Auntie Tammy. Oh, it is money.
Many.
Yeah.
And grandma, grandpa.
Have you met any
Mom,
cousins
Daddy.
yet?
Yeah, I have more cousins.
Grandma,
I
grandpa.
have many cousins. Gage, Eva, and Mia Medaya, and
Yeah.
yeah.
What about your cousin who lives in Ukaipa? Nana and Pupa's grandmother?
Kennedy.
Trinity, yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you guys.
I love you too.
Oh, what's today's date?
Today is chili.
Chili.
Okay, it is chilly outside. What's today's date? March what?
March
March
21.
Nope.
21.
18.
March 21. 8.
All right. I love you.
I love you.